Hey guys, it's Bunny Vlogs Bunny here, and today I'm on a YouTube screen. I love YouTube. Well, yeah, because I'm on it. So guys, today I really want to react to one of my videos because I think I've been doing a fantastic job, and hopefully you guys do too. What is my mouse doing? Wait, no. Never mind, I can't say that because you guys don't see it. So, I'm going to be reacting. I don't know what I'm going to be reacting to, guys. Oh my gosh. I can't do it. I want to react to my first video, but I already did that, as you can see. For the 15 subscribers specials. I think we can actually hit 50 subscribers, guys, and if we do, that would be amazing. Like, I would love that. That would be amazing, guys. But, and for this video, I really want to try and shoot for, before I point out how many likes we can shoot for, I just want to say, follow me on Instagram, Bunny Vlogs Bunny, right? I don't know. Yeah, Bunny Vlogs Bunny is my Instagram name. I just want to follow it. I have no followers right now. Yeah, I don't care. I don't have it. Well, you guys can follow me on Instagram if you have Instagram. I don't know if you have Instagram, so yeah. Sorry. So, guys, I know we can shoot for 5 likes, but it's Facebook. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about Facebook. Alright, so we can shoot for 5 likes.
5 likes, guys. You need 5 likes for the video. Come on.
Let's go. They need 5 likes for the video?
We don't need. We want. But we're not gonna beg from you guys. We're ruining our video. Bunny's video, yeah. Stop.
Woo. So,
Mommy's asleep. Oh my gosh.
So guys. Okay. So guys, we're going to be reacting to the trailer for my new movie because I really like the trailer, and I'm going to put subtitles on to laugh at my humiliation. Let's go. Everything he ever wanted was me. Is it guys?
Rabbits didn't have genders.
I like the insane music. Hey, look, it's suggested. Look at this. I like that. Dun. Everything's about new adventure.
Hey, you should put on my little trailer, just so more people can see it.
Alright, so enough of that. But hold on, guys. Wait, I can just, So I'm just gonna go on Bass Breaker's channel and watch his trailer, so, you know, because I feel like I'm going to be left out in the trailer here, because...
Please watch my videos. Barely anyone has been watching it.
Hey, I want to see your new theme song. Oh, you don't have subtitles on. I thought you did. What do you use to record? Dun, dun, I like this. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, don't do that again. That hurt my ears, man. And yes, this is Bash Breaker right beside her.
So, people might think this is clickbait, but it's not. Because, I mean, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's not clickbait. Because my friend really did get hacked.
Oh, yeah.
I love this.
15 minutes and 1 second? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys see that intro? That's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm the I know how.
So guys, I also have, I'm going to, I have a private video right now, I'm going to upload this. I don't know, I can't, I have to edit it because there's some parts I can't use because there's people saying bad words like cuss words and I really don't like that.
Put on age restriction.
So,
that won't work. People are still gonna watch it.
So we're just going to edit one of my videos, you know? We're gonna edit at one of my videos. Because I want to show you guys how to edit a video and my mouse is freaking out. So, next. Alright, so this is going to be me editing my first video. How to edit. Let's going to edit this. Let's going to. So first, I want to show you guys how to blur. Did you like that voice? Well, I'm sorry, I can't do it again. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I can't do it again. So I'm going to show you how to blur. So here, I can just blur out something in the background. See? Look, I'm going to blur out in the background. I'm going to blur this out, this right here out in the background, my closet, my huge closet that I don't really need. So let's just blur this. What's it at? 368.
Why do you want to blur a closet?
Alright. Because it can.
Okay.
So I can just do this, and it's going to blur that. And I can blur other people, other things too. I can blur people.
She can blur everything out, basically.
Done. So now, if you go to there, you're going to see it's blurred out. I don't know how to play this.
It's playing. But just won't work.
Save.
What's going on with your mouse?
I don't know. They're not going to see anything wrong with my mouse.
Oh, there it is. It's good. If you didn't know what was happening with the mouse, it was basically clicking on and off, going, disappearing.
Well, today,
I like my voice. See, guys. Oh, where's the blur? Why didn't the blur go through?
You have to wait until after the whole thing is done.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't press done.
Yeah, I did. So annotation is not a thing anymore. I don't know why. It's just not a thing.
For some people it is.
Oh no, there's subtitles on. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh.
Subtitles.
I'm going to humiliate me.
You should put in some channels.
Okay, so I'm going to actually go to my channel and oh my gosh, okay. So I'm gonna go to my channel and I'm just gonna hit YouTube and I'm gonna edit this video. No, that's actually really bad.
I know.
Wait, did you make another video? No, you didn't. Okay. So we're just gonna go to my channel.
Yes.
And
It's not just me by Bunny Blogs Bunny, it's also Barry the Bear.
alright, can you please? Okay, so we're just going to go here and watch this. Okay, we're gonna humiliate myself by pretty much putting on subtitles. Now let's go. Oh, it didn't blur out. I guess I have to blur something out here. I have to blur other things out.
No, you gotta wait until it's finished uploading the edits.
Guys, we are doing so good. I really want
I only have like half of these that you do.
We're doing so good, guys. I thank you for all my views, and I love you all, and there's no one that I don't love in this world, and I thank you for everything you guys have done to me. And through the past year I've been on this I've been on YouTube. You guys have been so nice to me, and you guys have been so nice to me, and I'm proud to be in 2018 not dead.
You literally have half the views that she does and half the subs.
I'm just gonna end this video right here, guys. See you guys in the next video.